Rid soil of pests and diseases. No matter what type of soil you have, it may acquire pests and diseases. However, there are several ways to make the soil clean. Each method differs according to price, complexity and effectiveness, so choose one that you think is best. Wash the soil. The easiest way to clean soil is to wash it. Water the soil until dirt and pests are washed away. Make sure that the water goes somewhere and away from the soil. You may have to install drainage systems to this. If it's only a small amount of soil, place the soil in a net with a fine mesh and let water run through it. Collect the water and dispose of it later on. The pests and impurities are washed out while the soil remains inside. Use soil cleaning solutions. There are natural and chemical solutions that disinfect and kill pests in the soil. Ask about them in stores selling gardening or farming supplies. Make sure that you specify the type of soil and the condition of the soil so that you'll get the appropriate solution. You may bring a soil sample so that they'll know what to give you. Use these according to the instructions. You may ask someone to help you apply the solution to the soil. Use pesticides. Pesticides rid your soil of pests that thrive in your soil. These may be made from chemicals or from organic materials, or they may even be living creatures that eat the pests. No matter what type, make sure to know how to use them. Bake the soil. Small amounts of soil may be placed in the oven and baked until the soil reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the soil into an oven-safe container. Then, cover the container with foil. Let the soil bake until it reaches the desired temperature. Check the temperature periodically using an oven thermometer. Solarize the soil. Solarizing the soil means letting it heat in the sun until pests and germs are killed. First, remove the plants that are growing in the soil, along with everything in the soil such as stones, leaves, etc. Then, prepare the soil by tilling or raking. Water the soil until the water reaches at least 2 feet deep. Cover the soil with a layer of plastic, and keep it covered by weighing down the edges with rocks and other heavy things. If you prefer, put a second plastic layer on top of the first layer. Have the soil be treated. The soil may be treated in soil treatment plants. Remove your soil and have it be sent to these plants. They'll be able to treat it and return it to you. If not, this soil may be disposed of and you have to get new soil. Replace the soil. When the soil is thoroughly contaminated, remove the soil and buy a new one. Make sure that the soil you buy is pretreated to avoid having another contaminated soil. Check the condition of the soil before and after treatment. You may have to do this several times according to the severity of the infestation in your soil. Seek the assistance of professionals when necessary.